Yeah, baby! Yeah, baby! Good evening, World Wide Web of the Internet. It has been a while. I am back in the lightning. It's a great one. You put yourself in the pictures. No, it's a big job. I'm on a road trip to Britain to friends. Got my clap on. I need my clap for every time I decide to restart the video. And that's it. So I'm not going to video from it. I just thought maybe I'd like to come on a road trip and see the truck. Each fucking awesome. But yeah, we are. Let's go. That gauge is in kilometres, by the way. I wasn't really doing 160 kilometres an hour, 160 miles an hour. Sure, that's miles an hour. Let's see. One of the nice things of the Lightning, other than the amount of fuel you can go, because of the amount of fuel you can if you bit more, you just open this and get a nice breeze, which is cool. So there we go, that's the cheaper air conditioning. Is it possible to hear the supercharger over the sound of the exhaust and whatever in the Lightning? Lightning belly! Booyah! Just pulling into a services because comfort brake and all that, and I've just seen a very exciting sign on the services. If this thing's open, it's going to be a good day. I'm very American. It's true. It's true. You don't get many of them in the UK. It's such a rare thing. It's a shame it smells like shit around here. There you go. Well, that sucks. What happened there? Standstill traffic. Yeah. Well, there we go. Can't park there! I can hear seagulls near the sea. So we've made it to Folkestone. The boarding board is behind me. I'm on the 10 past, I think it's 10 past 1 in the morning. It's 10:30 now. There is one going at 11:30, which they said if I go to the front of the queue, they might let me on it. But if I go around and try and board it, if there's space to let me on it, if there isn't space, they'll just tell me to come back to the car park again, so I'll get a couple of hours sleep in the truck. And then we'll go at 1:10. And then we've got 5 hours drive, 5.5 hours drive, and we get across there. But we're here, and there are signs saying France that way. See, this is slightly disappointing. Leon doing amazing dark hot chocolate. And only Starbucks was open, so I did ask him for extra chocolate to make it a bit nicer, a bit chocolate. There we go. Right, let's go and see if they'll let us on this early one. Here we are. Right, people are going round. We'll give it 2 minutes. There's 3 boarding groups for the one before. So if we go, oh fuck it, let's go. Alright, so passport control first, and then they kick me out. There's no space. Turn that on. So hopefully, if we've got through this bit, then it's too much hassle for them to turn me around. That's what I'm banking on. Well, we're through passport control English and French, and now we're just queuing up to actually get on. No one's checked space and reg yet on my ticket, so I guess we're not through the critical part yet, but we'll see. Fingers crossed. There's a train in front of me. They're not turning me around here, are they? There's no way. Come on. There's no way they turn me around this unless you're driving on. So. Come on. Come on. Come on. There she is. Come on. Come on. They're not turning me around now, are they? They're on. Well, there's these boys behind me, and they've closed the door in front of me for that one. So I'm going to go ahead and say I'm safely on the train. 2 hours early. At the minute, it leaves an hour and 40 minutes before the one that they'd swapped me onto, which is, this is a day earlier than the one I'd actually paid and booked on. And they've charged me no extra, so win.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe. There's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
The truck. We did 650 miles here. It's done about 300 miles since, doing running around a few places. The audio's probably a bit better now. The audio, I realised on the way down, it was crap on those AirPods. Yeah, she drove well. I've not done any real checking. I've been a bit slack since I bought it. I've only had it a month. Check the oil, check the brakes, filter, stuff like that, and just ran it for a couple of weeks in the UK to see how it was. And it performed absolutely spot on. So all the way here was a little bit, oh, is it going to make it? Is it going to make it? You know. I took it steady apart from a couple of times when I had to have a race with the Tesla, as you do. And yeah, here now for a week, so going to do some French things and mill about. The truck's going to stay here till probably November, December, I think. But I'm going to take it back to the UK and get a few bits and pieces done on it. The exhausts, see they're sticking out a little bit too far. It's an aftermarket exhaust. It's supposed to be flush with the body, I think, and I prefer them flush, so I'm going to get that chopped and pulled in a bit of servicing work and some a brake upgrade in the winter. But other than that, just going to enjoy the summer down here with it, enjoy the French countryside, and back to flying again to Delhi in a few days' time. So for now, just going to enjoy a bit of France. On to French stuff.
Rotation. Ouais. De super fort. Ouais.
Get them what? I didn't catch them.
No, I mean...
say here we are doing French things in France, but I'm getting ice cream, which is pretty much a worldwide thing. Emma, give us a wave. He might have timed out before I got to him. He was alive a minute ago. Yeah, he's timed out. Is Madeline giving me a hand? Bonjour.